The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Department of Homeland Security. This statement provides updated guidance and situational awareness for all jurisdictions. The National Information Center has identified potential disruptions to critical infrastructure and communication networks due to an evolving cyber-enabled threat. All federal, state, local, tribal, and territorial authorities are directed to maintain heightened vigilance, review continuity plans, and coordinate closely with private sector partners. This advisory applies to the following eastern states: Alabama, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Mississippi, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Vermont, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Illinois. Residents and businesses in these areas should verify operational status of essential services, update emergency contact lists, and report any suspicious activities to local law enforcement or the National Cybersecurity and Communications Integration Center at hc@hq.dhs.gov. Further updates will be issued as the situation develops. Please stand by for additional instructions from the National Information Center and your local emergency management office. This concludes the National Information Center statement.